Students of class 4th, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn output devices, first chapter of computer, part 3. Let's start. Output devices. What are output devices? The parts of computer that show or display the information are called output devices. Again, the parts of computer that show or display the information are called output devices. Now, what are information? The result after processing, that is information. The result which we get after processing, it is called output or information. Fine. Now, let's take a look on some examples of output devices. The example of output devices are monitor, speaker, printer, plotter, projector. Now we will study these all devices in detail. First device is monitor. A monitor displays the output, text, picture or video on it. See, with the help of monitor we can see output provided by computer in the form of text, picture or video. Fine. The output we get on the monitor is also called soft copy. Now what is soft copy? Soft copy means copy, it is in electronic form which we can see on monitor but we cannot touch. We can see on monitor but we cannot touch. It is also known as VDU, visual display unit. Fine. Now there are three types of monitor: CRT, LCD and LED. Now what are the full form of CRT, LCD and LED? Let's take a look. CRT monitor, cathode ray tube. These are the old versions of monitor. Then technology changed, then LCD comes. So we used to have monitors of LCD, that is liquid crystal display. Fine. Then again technology changed, then LEDs come. The full form of LED, liquid emitting diode. Fine. So you need to learn all these full forms of CRT, LCD and LED. Fine. Let's move ahead. Printer. Now what is printer? A printer gives the output on paper. The printed copy is called hard copy. The once again, a printer gives the output in the form of text and picture on paper. The printed copy is called hard copy. Why it is called hard copy? Because we can touch that copy. We can touch that output what we are getting on a paper in the form of text or picture. Fine, that's why it is called hard copy. So there are three types of printer: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Now take a look in detail of all of these printer. First printer is dot matrix printer. It can print only in black. Fine. It makes a lot of noise while printing. It can print only a few pages in a minute. Fine. These are the features of dot matrix printer, or you can say these are the drawbacks of dot matrix printer, where you can use only single color when noise is very much while printing and speed of printing is very less. Fine. Now let's take a look of next printer, that is inkjet printer. It can print in color also. It makes a very less noise while printing and it can print many pages in a minute. So these are the features of inkjet printer. So first feature is we can take color printout from this printer and the noise is very less compared to inkjet printer, and speed of this printer is very fast. Last, laser printer. It can print in color also. It makes very less noise while printing. It can print up to 100 pages in a minute. It provides best quality. See, in this printer, we can also take print in color, and noise is very less compared to dot matrix printer. Fine, but the main benefit of this printer is its speed. It provides print printed pages at a very high speed. Fine, and quality of this printer is very good. Now let's talk about next output device, that is speaker. We all have seen we all have listened music through speakers. So speakers provides us output. Fine. So speakers are used to listen to music and songs as output from the computer. Once again, speakers are used to listen to music and songs as output from the computer. Speakers gives out loud sound. Fine. When we go in assembly, we use mic and speakers so that sound can be reached out every to the every person who is standing in the assembly. Even last person of the row, he he must be able to listen what someone is saying from the podium. Fine. So we use help the output device, that is speaker. Next output device is headphone. Headphones are used to listen music. Headphones are used by an individual without letting others to get disturbed with sound. See, if we want to listen music and we don't want to disturb any other, so we use this headphone. We used to listen music from our mobile phone with the help of earphone or headphone. We use these devices, so these are also called output devices. Now next device is plotter. A plotter also gives output on paper. It is same working of this plotter is it is same like a printer. Plotters are used to generate high quality large printouts of construction maps, engineering drawings, and big posters. See, as I told you, the working of plotter it is same like normal printer, but the specialty of plotter is that it can provide us high quality large printouts, big printouts, yeah, and it is used to print out give prints of construction maps, engineering drawings, and big posters. Fine. So this is the working of plotter. So I hope you all have understood these output devices. Fine. Thank you very much.